In this video, I'm going to give you my review of Google Fi. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Tech That Doesn't Bite. So what is it like to use Google Fi in 2022? Well, here's my review. So Google Fi provides wireless services using the T-Mobile or US Cellular network. Depending on the coverage in your area, it might switch between T-Mobile or US Cellular. They have three types of plans you can choose from: the flexible plan, the simply unlimited, and unlimited plus. The flexible plans start at $20 for one line, and it's $10 per gigabyte. And if you want the simply unlimited, that is the cheapest unlimited plan, it is $50. And then we have the unlimited plus, which is $65. All three plans do include international features, but the unlimited plus and flexible plan have better international features. And all three plans do include a certain amount of full speed data before it slows down to 256 kilobits per second. For my testing, I'm using a Motorola One 5G Ace, which is Google Fi compatible, and I mostly tested on the T-Mobile network because US Cellular is not available in my area. I'm also testing it on their flexible plan as well, and I opted in using a physical SIM card, but an eSIM is also available. I actually ordered my physical SIM card through Amazon, and once the kit arrived, I just followed the procedures on how to set up my phone number, porting in my number from a different carrier, and purchasing my plan. Now the weird part is that when I purchased my plan, it also automatically added another SIM card to my card. I thought there was a way to just bypass it and say, hey, I have my own SIM card. So I talked to their tech support team and they told me that that is automatic and they're still gonna send me another physical SIM card. And I told them oh, do I need to give it back to you once I receive it? It's like, no, you could keep that as extra. So that was kind of strange. And after that, I was just waiting for my phone number to port in, and I gotta say, it was very quick. It happened within minutes. And after that, I was able to use the service. Now here are some of the network speed tests that I performed. I tested it on their 5G network in the Los Angeles County area, and the first speed test result was conducted around 2 p.m. in the afternoon. And I was getting somewhere around the 150 megabits per second in the download side, and around 2 megabits per second on the upload side. Here is my second test, which I conducted around 8 p.m. in the evening, and I was getting somewhere around the 180 megabits per second for download speed, and 0.66 megabits per second for my upload. So overall, the speed was great in my neighborhood. I also wanted to test out the SMS and MMS feature, and I was able to text between an iPhone and an Android phone using SMS, and also MMS worked as well. So texting was perfectly okay. I didn't have any issues making phone calls, and the voice quality sounds good. I also wanted to test out how visual voicemail works on Google Fi, and here what it looks like.
Call is not available. Please leave a message after the tone.
Test 1 2, test 1 2. Once I left the voicemail, I got a notification. I was able to access the visual voicemail directly from the phone app. Wi-Fi calling worked, I didn't have any issues with it, and also I was able to use the hotspot tethering feature as well. I also like using the Google Fi app to manage your account. It's very organized and well made as well. The cool thing about Google Fi is that you can actually pause your service for a certain amount of time, so that's cool. But I do like managing my account using the Google Fi app. My question for everyone is, what is your opinion on Google Fi? Are you a customer? Let us know in the comments below. And if you do like this video, please make sure to smash the like button, hit that subscribe button, and the bell notification so you get notified of new videos. And if you would like to support our channel, you can check out our Patreon page. There are a bunch of perks there that you can check out, and you can also support us on Ko-Fi. Let's get back to the review. Now here are some things I don't like about Google Fi. If you're someone that's on an iPhone, it's probably not the best solution because there's no 5G support. Also, streaming videos may be set at the standard definition quality. I'm also not a big fan of their flexible plan. I kind of wish they just get rid of that and introduce like a low tier plan that has like $15 for 3 gigs or something like that. And I feel like for individual lines, the unlimited plan is kind of expensive as well. And the Simply Unlimited and Unlimited Plus, they don't have the exact same features. Overall, I think their plans need kind of an overhaul that fits with everyone's budget. If you want cheaper unlimited data plans, then check out Mint Mobile or Tello. They offer unlimited data plans as well, they just don't have those international features. Now, if you don't want to deal with Google Fi's flexible plan, you want a certain set of data bucket, then check out Mint Mobile or Tello as well, and also T-Mobile Connect plans as well. If you need unlimited data plan with those international features, then Google Fi might be an option for you. If you don't need those features at all, then look somewhere else because there are definitely cheaper options. If you want to check out some of our other wireless carrier reviews such as Red Pocket Mobile, US Mobile, or Mint Mobile, check them out at the very end of this video. And I'll see you next time.